We starting this trial by saying under Rocky the Water Buffalo. Rocky stands 6 feet tall, weighs 250 pounds, worth over 310,000 Lego bricks. Rocky is the only standing solid model here in Legoland, California, meaning he is Lego through and through. Want to know what Rocky says to his son before coming to Legoland? Bye, son. Now if you look over on the right hand side, you're going to be seeing everybody's favorite tortoises, Bob and Gertrude. Bob and Gertrude have been waiting for the eggs to hatch for over 24 years. I don't know about you guys, but I'm still the ones coming out of their shells anytime soon. Sorry folks, bad yolk, I get on and go over easy. Let's just scramble it. Now as we slowly but surely make our way across the water, you're going to be seeing Lazy Pete. And coming in on the left hand side is our newest model here. Goes Goose the Rainbow Elephant, which is constructed with over 254,000 Lego bricks. Now if you guys are sitting in a gray seat, that just means you're going to get wet. Just kidding, that's just a little bit of my dry humor.
The elephant? The dragon. Look at the elephant.
Sailing away from the rainbow elephant, we're going to make our way over to the other elephant, which is my best friend Elsie. Elsie stands 7 feet tall and is built over 282,000 Lego bricks. Can everybody say hi, Elsie?
Hi, Elsie.
Did you know elephants go up to 4 feet? That's right. 2 in the front and 2 in the back.
What's that?
Now to make it around to the giant construction crew who's been rocking out with us since 1999 when Legoland California first opened, because he was one of the first attractions here, and still nothing has gotten done. Pull over to story time for you. There used to be a guy named Hinky Steve hanging from that falling yellow brick. However, he slipped and fell. I've never saw him again. Rest in peace to Steve. Some might say he even let go. We're not going to make it our way over to London, where we have our Elizabeth Tower and the London Eye. Fun fact about the Elizabeth Tower, the balance is actually called the Big Ben. Fun fact about our London Eye, it's made of over 55,000 Lego bricks. And yes, before anybody asks, the clock does work. It tells the exact time, exactly 2 times a day. Now as we leave London, we're going to make it our way over to the Lionsgate Bridge. If you look at the top of that bridge, each one of those lines is constructed with over 17,000 Lego bricks. And I'm not lying about that. But here it goes, kids judge to call it the Waffle Bridge, but I'm sure that joke is just going to be flying over your head.
Look at the house. Look at the meeting house.
That's a good channel.
As you pass out of the Waffle Bridge, you're going to make your way over to India, where we have our Taj Mahal. Our Taj Mahal is constructed with over 143,000 Lego bricks. But here it goes, kids judge to call it the Taj Mahal. Obviously, because it's not too Taj Mahal.
Gorilla, Papa. You're seeing nothing.
Now as we leave India, you're going to make it way over to Paris, where we have our Eiffel Tower. Our Eiffel Tower stands 17 feet tall and is built over 117,000 Lego bricks. Sorry everyone, I didn't have a joke planned for this section, but I forgot. Now embarrassing.
Look it. This.
The waterfall.
We're now going to make it our way over to Mount Rushmore. Our Mount Rushmore has over 230,000 Lego bricks with all 4 presidents combined. George Washington, Abraham Lincoln, Theodore Roosevelt, and Thomas Jefferson. But it looks like George was weaker today. Good thing. Just over hearing recently. Because of some rocky conversations.
Oh, my God.
Now as we leave Mount Rushmore, we're going to be making our way over to Miniland, USA. We're in Miniland, New York, San Francisco, Las Vegas, and a couple of the cities within. But straight ahead of us is our Statue of Liberty. She stands 6 feet tall and is built over 120,000 Lego bricks. Behind her is the New York Manhattan skyline, made of a whopping total of 8 million Lego bricks to both the Manhattan and the Brooklyn Bridge. All of Miniland combined, every single city used over 60 billion Lego bricks. Now if you look on the streets of Manhattan, you're going to be seeing how they're making the new Jurassic World movie. as we leave, man. And we're gonna make our way over to the best part of the tour. The beautiful, the amazing pile of rocks. I would tell you a joke about that, but you'll just take it for granted.
There's maybe one more. One more. One more. There's a water there. Look at you could tell me. Look it.
Here we are in the New England Harbor area. It's a very active area. Never know, it might turn up ahead.
Oh, look it.
It looks like all of our tires to bar pause on last time again. Don't worry, folks. Just having a little plastic surgery can't fix. Now, as you come to the end of our tour, we're going to be greeted by an infamous octopus bandit. The total 288,000 LEGO bricks. The special guest stars probably shark name of the guitar and guest official plans. Now, it's my pleasure to be your captain here at Coast Goose today. As a reminder, please remain seated with your head, shoulders, knees, and toes in the boat at all times. They're going to stop at the dock. Once you stop at the dock, you guys are going to hop on down and stretch your left-hand side. And don't forget your personal belongings. And yes, parents, I do mean your children. I don't want them. And don't forget your wonderful rest of your day here at LEGOLAND California, where everything is awesome.
Welcome back, sailors. Let's give your captain a big round of applause.
Thank you, thank you.